Good evening, my name's Cody Clarkson and you're watching Weazel News. Tonight you join us live as Mr. Daniel Lannister takes Phoenix Security to court. He claims that Phoenix Security illegally detained him and put him in harm's way while a Phoenix Security bank run was going down at Pacific Bank. It's unclear as to what the result of this trial is going to be. However, you can see that masses of people have gathered in the courthouse to see where this historic trial is going to lead. We cross now to live images of the courthouse where you can see several key witnesses have been brought to the stand, including Phoenix officers and other key personnel to testify as to what Phoenix security operational protocols are, the laws from the police's standpoint, and also Mr. Daniel Lannister and other witnesses to give insight as to what happened on that fateful day. I've been told now that the judge is going to retire to his chambers to deliberate on the outcome of the case. Weazel News will be right back after the break with the verdict from the judge.
Box him in. Sir?
What's up, boys?
Good cut. Yeah, that's us, that's Nova.
I'm 199. We got 4 officers down.
Welcome back to Weazel News. We've just heard word that the judge is about ready to give his verdict, and yep, he's coming out now. So we'll cross live to the courthouse in downtown Los Santos for the judge's verdict on the case of Phoenix Security and Daniel Lannister.
I'm going to award a sum of $300,000 in non-economic damages and make an order that the defendant pay the plaintiff's costs. That'll be all. Full judgment will be released soon.
Okay, well there it is. The judge has ruled that it is Phoenix Security guilty of abuse of powers. I believe I'm just getting the summary judgment through. Interesting. Okay, so the court has ruled that Phoenix Security is guilty of abusing their powers, illegally detaining Mr. Daniel Lannister and putting him in harm's way, paying $300,000 plus the legal fees for Mr. Lannister. I believe in a moment we're going to hear from the lawyers, Mr. Daniel Lannister's lawyers, and we're going to go live to them now.
On behalf of the plaintiff side of this case, I do believe there was no winners or losers. I do believe justice to a degree was served. Hopefully this sets a baseline precedent so that future incidents with Phoenix do not occur like this. It was a hard one. We did do a lot of work. Obviously, our idea of compensation was a bit higher from what we were finally awarded, but it's still something that is better than nothing, and obviously a lot of witnesses saw it, so I believe this will have an everlasting effect within the community also.
So upon the back of the successful case for my client here, we will be pushing this towards a criminal conviction towards the officers that obviously detained my client illegally. So we hope to see them in the next court case, and we'll hope to have a winner there and have some justice dealt towards the wrongdoers from Phoenix.
Well, there it is, an absolute bombshell being dropped by Mr. Daniel Lannister's lawyers there, indicating that they will be pressing criminal charges against the Phoenix officers that illegally detained Mr. Daniel Lannister. That court trial anticipated to come in the not too distant future. That's all for this special Weazel News broadcast of this court case, with Phoenix Security found guilty in an impending criminal trial. My name's Cody Clarkson. You've been watching Weazel News.